Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And two cats. You have no idea how many times I've tried to start filming and I've now given up. There's one all the way draped here and she's being washed by the other one. But anyway, this is today's project. It's the Whale of a Time. Lovely little, I kind of think it's a favour box. It finishes up at 2 inches by 2 inches by 3 inches. I hope there's not going to be a fight now. 2 inches by 2 inches by 3 inches, so a nice favour box, nice little extra treat box, and you could fill that with sweeties, and it's just a simple lidded box. So I'm going to show you how to make it, assisted by Kitten. You need a piece of cardstock that is 8 by 8 inches, 20 by 20 centimetres, and you need your paper at 15 by 15, well, 6 by 6 inches, 15 by 15 centimetres. Okay, so am I going to be able to fit this on and not disturb kittens? Not that they're kittens, really. Come on, stop. It's very exuberant washing. Okay, so on the base, you score it at 3 inches on all 4 sides. Super easy, 7.5 centimetres, all 4 sides. The lid, we're going to score it at 2 inches on all 4 sides, but you need to move it away from the side ever such a tiny little bit. So 2 inches, 5 centimetres on all 4 sides. I love the Whale of a Time sweet. I particularly love the punch, and lots of you have been buying it from me. So thank you ever so much for placing your orders with me. And I've been sending goodies and treats and things out. So yeah, this is Pretty Peacock. So I'm just going to burnish up the sides. And then the same on the lid. So I'm filming this Friday, only a couple of days before you're seeing it, and it's very nice to have professional nails done again. Very nice. It was fun to see Penny again, who, oh, where's my big scissors? Who I haven't seen for a while. And so, yeah, my big scissors are missing. Oh no. Oh, well, this is going to be fun trying to do this with paper snips. Yeah, so it was lovely to go and see her, but she was telling me all of the stuff that they've had to put into place, including her wearing a big old mask. Where on earth are my big scissors and why are they not on my desk? So that was 3 pairs that have gone down to 2 and now apparently to none. Okay, I've got to take a big chunk off that section, and that is so you can fold it around like that. So we're just going to keep rotating. Bear with me, they must be handy. Oh. On my office desk, the other side of the office. Yeah, so we've got to take a big chunk off there, just so it folds around nicely, but just keep doing this all the way around. Oh, did I get enough on that? Yes. So yes, it's nice to have my nails done and not be trying to bimble along. I think I managed quite well for 4 months, but it's something quite nice to go to a salon. Okay. So that's the base done, and the lid we're going to do exactly the same. So, and hack a bit off, and again for the same reasons, just so it folds around neatly. Okay, so I will be sending out new autumn winter catalogues very soon. As I said, I'm filming this Friday, you're seeing it Monday, so the theory is that this weekend I'm packing them. Whether that happened or not, I've no idea. But if you would like one, I have them available in English, French and German. And I can send them to the Netherlands, the UK obviously, France, Austria and Germany. So if you would like one, please just get in touch. All my details are down below where you can get hold of me. Right, let's put this together. So I have my seal and my seal plus. Oh, I love this. It's just brilliant. I'm not a speedy crafter in the sense of I just want to get the project made. but I'm speedy in terms of I don't always have a great deal of time to make a project. And wet glue and I are just not friends, you all know that. So this is brilliant. I do feel like I'm cheating on tear and tape though. Okay, so I've just built those sides round. And the same for the lid. I don't know what Berry is doing, but she's the other side of my ribbons. They've disturbed my ribbon rack. She's the other side and she's playing with something and I'm not completely sure what it is. Sorrel's just parading round and on the floor. So bring those round. Okay, so lid on, and then the ribbon that I'm using is upcoming ribbon from the new, oh, why can't I get that in? There we go. That's a nice tight fit, look at that. What are you doing, Berry? This ribbon is from the upcoming autumn winter catalogue, the mini seasonal, and it's an iridescent, see-through, translucent, lovely, and I felt it was sort of all nice and watery. I'm trying to, seriously, Kat, I don't know what you're doing. It's this lovely iridescent, so it felt like sea colours. It is quite stiff though, so when you tie a bow, sorry, and squish it, it will stay flat. So you can bend it and it will stay in place, or mostly in place. I don't, oh, seriously, I have no idea what she's doing. Hello? You just wash yourself on my grid paper and play. She's a funny thing. Okay. So ribbon tied. Somebody said the other day in a comment, they said, I miss your cats when they're not in video. Well, here you go. You're getting kittens. Right, so I have a spare piece of Pretty Peacock, and I've got some Whisper White, and I've got my stamp bundle. So here's the punch. Here's the stamp set. Love it. This is the one that coordinates with that, but you can get extra things, so you could give your whale loads of life, but I'm just going to stamp the whale. You can see I've used it lots. Grab a big block. That is a D block. I would say our blocks, second to none. They are ergonomically designed, so your fingers can fit in them nicely. Okay, so that's inked. I'm just going to leave that to dry for a second because this is very inky. And I'm going to punch out a blue whale, and I'm going to get my Wink of Stella and hope there's some left in it, because I'm just going to go all over. Why not have a glittery whale? Berry is concentrating very hard on what I'm doing. Oh no, she's not, she's looking away. So that's all glittery and shimmery and pretty. And I'm going to just smooth that over because it's a little streaky. Okay, and then with a black marker, I'm going to colour his eye. There is a tiny, tiny little punch out for the eye. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to draw it in and then punch that out too. And layer up the pair of these. So I want some dimensionals. Here we go. Brand new pack. Anybody else get really excited about a packet of dimensionals when it's brand new? Or is that just me? Let me know if it's you as well. And I'm going to offset just a little bit. And pop it on the front of my box. And that's my blue whale and my blackberry bliss whale with a little bit of glitter going on. Pretty easy, just so easy to make. The paper, you get 48 sheets of so many different patterns with the Whale of a Time suite. I love it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. And Berry, I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.